Right. I'm excited to talk about the career that I've chosen. It's taken me a long time to figure out what I want to do, but this semester I'm coming to a lot of clarity, so I'm actually excited. My name is Noelle Torres. I have chosen the psychology bachelor's degree, first of all, because I love BYU Idaho and they don't offer what I ultimately want um, as a bachelor's, but that's okay because psychology is something that really interests me. I love people and the mind. I love principles of happiness and health, and I also love teaching. I went on a little journey from choosing psychology as a degree, then art as a degree, then back to psychology. I was beating around a lot of bushes, and it took a while to admit to myself that I love the teaching side of things. So, the degree that I ultimately want is called instructional design. There are lots of other names for this. Sometimes you'll hear it as learning experience design or learning design and technology. It kind of depends on the school that you go to. They might have different ways of naming that. But this is what my dad and my grandpa both have masters in this degree, and it's really inspired me, to be honest. Um, One way of knowing what an instructional design degree is, it says it's a field of study that marries education, psychology, and communications to create the most effective teaching plans for specific groups of students. I like to think of it as a teacher of teachers. We aren't the ones standing in front of a classroom, but we're behind the scenes creating the course material and making sure that people are understanding it. Here are some of the things that instructional designers do. They create and deliver educational and training materials. They evaluate learning sessions to ensure effectiveness. So they make sure that the students actually got what they presented and see if it's really effective. They can work in lots of different ranges of industries. There's of course, classroom settings. There's healthcare, retail, business, military. One example of that is my grandfather. He was never a pilot, but he helped create the training for those learning to be pilots. So you kind of get to be a master of any area of expertise, learn it enough to teach it well. I think it's so fascinating, and I can dip my toes into so many different avenues of learning in that way. My 4-year plan, I'm going to continue and get my bachelor's in psychology, so I'll take the remaining required credits. I'm also going to do my best to maintain a high GPA and seek out internship opportunities. Then I will study and practice for the GRE and apply for master's programs after acing it, hopefully. That's the goal. And that will lead me to a master's of science and education and learning and design and technology. So that's basically just master's in instructional design. That's the goal. That's what I'm hoping for. I think I would find a lot of joy. This kind of master's can take you into almost any industry. So there's no end to needing teachers of teachers. My sources, I took a look at Purdue um, for their definition of instructional design. Thank you for watching. That's my plan.